Hello, welcome to our topic today. We are going to talk about light, specifically properties of light. When we talk of properties of light, we are talking about the behavior of light. When I take the first two properties of light, which are the main ones, one, light travels in a straight line. Number two, we have light travels to all directions from a given source, or we can also say light spreads to all directions from a given source. As you can see here, this is what we call this is sun. It is during the sunset, and you can see all over the light spreads to all the corners, up, down, left, right. That shows us that light spreads in all directions. Then we will go to meaning of light. After we will learn about the meaning of lights and ways in which light travel, meaning of light and its uses. Let's first go to the meaning. What is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things clearly. Without light, nothing can be seen at all. Light is produced by luminous objects. The sun is the chief source of light on Earth. Light has various uses in our daily life. For example, taking photographs, we need light. Photosynthesis, which is making of food by green plants, they need light. Photocopying machines, we use light. X-rays, we use light. Traffic lights, communication. For example, when you go to M-Pesa shop, you see those beautiful lights, or they are indicating, for example, also posters, and along the road. Also use light to seeing things and visibility. And also in our body, main light we need for synthesis of vitamin D. Those are uses of light. Then ways in which light travels. This now which will bring us to properties of light. Light travels in two distinct ways. The first one here, if you, as you can check, the number one, in all light travels in all directions from the source, which we say light spreads in all directions from the source. Number two, light travels in a straight line. So in this topic of today, we are going to pick only one. Light travels in all directions from a source. For the light travels in a straight line, that will be our next lesson after this. Now let's dwell on light travels in all directions from a source. Light travels in all directions from a source. As you can see the picture above, you can see this a bulb in a room, and every person is able to receive this light from these bulbs. That tells us light travels in all directions from a source. Oh, then examples of sources which spread light in all directions, apart from the one you have just seen above. Light from a lamp or bulb in a room provides light in all directions in the room. This makes it possible for all persons in the room to be able to see. Then, number two, the entire earth receives light from the sun. This tells us that light from the sun spreads in all directions. Let's take during your birthday party. What do you do? Always we light the candle. We light the candle as we celebrate the birthday. We light the candle as we celebrate our birthday. You can see our candle there. So everyone in the room is able to see what is happening from this light, which means it is spread to all directions, from all the corners of the room, from everywhere. Then when we move